teacher is late today. Jello, why are you late? You are late. Why are you late?
I come now, right? I have Chinese school.
Chinese. Okay. Say everything in Chinese. Why you are late? Say everything in Chinese. Jello.
Chinese school.
I said explain your reason why you are late in Chinese. I want to listen.
我有中文网课。
Is that all? You see, Tommy is laughing. Yeah, Tommy said that is not all. You let some statement in between. You said it. Why were you smiling? Okay. Good. Okay, now this morning, let's. Why?
I don't know.
Network or Chinese school?
I think network.
Oh, okay. For network. Now let's share the questions this morning and 222 for everybody. And Jasmine will do 3. And why is Aaron? Open your video. Let's see your face. Very good. Don't close your video, okay? Aaron, don't close your video. Everybody is watching you. You are on the spotlight. Okay, very good. Now this morning, Aaron, open your book to page number 32. Everybody open your book to page number 32. Let's do the homework together. I'll share the questions with you and then. I'll share the questions with you. So listen to your questions first. AB is for.
So which number? Number 3 or number 2?
We are doing number 2. Number 2 first. When we finish, we'll try and do the try this. Tomorrow we talk about the number 3 is not anything difficult. Okay. Very good. Tommy, your questions are. Those are very easy ones. No. Tommy, C and D.
Okay. Check number 3.
Yeah, no, 2.
Yeah.
C and D.
Okay, I will try.
Michael.
Just C cannot. Just C cannot do.
Don't say cannot. Everything is possible under this. Everything is possible. I'll show you how it is possible. So C and D, that is why I've given it to you. You say you cannot. So you will do it. Okay, A and B is for Michael. Michael, A and B. 2. Question 2, A and B. Mr. Barnes, E and F. 24%. Yes, E and F. 24% and 38%. Jasmine, yours is G and H for eating in my class. So you have 2 questions. G and H, 15% and 18%. Convert it into a fraction. Austin, your question is 175% and 284%. I and J. John. John, your question is K and L, 29% and 645%. That is for the Rochi. Rochi, your question is 128% and 385%. M and N. And Jello, the strongest one, O and P. O and P is for Jello. And the rest will be Aaron. All you have to do is listen to your friends, okay? Because you were not here yesterday. Listen to your friends.
So my letter is M and N.
Yes, M and N. Aaron, listen, open your book and listen to your friends when they give the answers, okay? And later we can explain to you, okay? Okay, very well. Are we done? This was your homework, so I think by now you should have your answers.
So I have my answers.
Yes. Jello, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Very good, Jello. Okay, now before we move on to the try this. Okay, so A and B first. A and B is for Michael. Michael, give us your procedure and then your answer.
Wait, sir. I
Not
haven't
the-
done yet, sir.
Which means you did not do your homework yesterday.
Sir,
Right.
I thought there's no homework.
I gave you a homework. You were here. Everybody heard it.
What?
Everybody knew there was a homework yesterday, except you.
Wait, still, I don't know how, don't have the answer yet, so.
So Michael will have some punishment today. Okay, Tommy, yours is B, C, and D.
Teacher, can I do like this? I will divide the numerator by 3, and I will divide the denominator by 5. Can I do like that? Cannot, right, sir?
Which of them are you doing? Is it 48 or 51?
51, sir.
Okay, so listen, before you start, yesterday I said to convert a percentage into a fraction, all you have to do is write the percentage first and then over 100.
Yes,
We know
teacher.
every
Yes, sir.
percentage is out of 100. And when you finish, you just simplify it. You
Sir, cannot
don't.
simplify.
Okay, so what do you have for C?
Sir, for C,
Mhm,
the
what is-
numerator is 51, so the denominator is 100.
So what do you have?
And the multiple of 51 is 3 times 17, so 17. But 3 cannot divide 100, sir, so cannot.
So in all, what is your answer?
Sir, cannot get an answer.
You have to get an answer because I said, look, read the question again. Write each of these percentages as a fraction. All I want is a fraction, nothing more.
A fraction?
Mhm.
Okay.
So what is your fraction for C?
Sir, 17 over 50.
7 for which of the numbers?
51.
Which numbers did you use to divide and you got 17 over 50?
Sir, I divide 51 by 3, so I get 17. And
Mhm.
I divide 100 by 5. Oh, 100 by 2, so I got 50.
Listen, last time when we were doing equivalent fractions, I said whatever you do to the denominator, you do the same thing with the numerator. So how can you divide
Yes, teacher,
3?
cannot.
So how can you divide 3 with the numerator and then divide 5 with the denominator? Meaning you are using
Yes.
two different numbers.
Yes. So that's why
Why
I
will
said
that?
cannot, teacher.
Why will what? 51.
Eesh.
So it means that particular fraction cannot be simplified further. So your answer will be 51 over 100. That is the fraction you're supposed to write.
Oh, I understand now.
Don't use
Yeah.
don't use two different numbers. If you have to divide 51 by 3, you have to divide 51 also by 3 by 100 as well. Don't use two different numbers, okay? Perfect. Now give us the next one, D. Tommy, you again. D is for you.
Huh?
Yes, your questions
Oh.
were two.
12
C and
over 25.
what?
12 over 25.
12 over 25. Very good. You see that one you can use 2 to divide. So you got that one. So D is 12 over 25. Which numbers did you use?
Yeah, 2.
Okay, so 2 divided by 100 is what? 50.
50.
And 2 divided by 48, that is 24.
Yes, teacher.
And then you simplify it further. 2 divided by 24
Yes,
is what? 12. And 2 divided
Yes,
by
sir.
50
Oh.
is 25.
25.
So 12 over 25. Very good. Michael, are you listening? Do your questions. I'll come to you. Meaning yesterday you came here, you did not pay attention. I'll come to your house today and we'll do some boxing. I'll come back to you.
Boxes.
Do you want to engage in a boxing this morning? Okay, so do your work. Mr. Barnes, let's go.
Teacher, for number E, I got 6 over 25.
So, okay, explain to us.
And chair, and 24%. So,
Mhm.
denominator, the denominator will be 100. And 24 over 100 that I simplify, and I got 12 over 50. 12 over 50, so I can simplify it again, and I got 6 over 25.
6 over 25. Very good. And the next one, F, 38%.
And 38%, I got 19 over 50.
Okay, simplify it. Let's see.
And 38, I divide by 2, so 19.
19.
100
Okay.
divided by 2, so 50.
Okay.
I can't
So
simplify anymore.
yeah, so 19 over 50 for F.
Yes,
Very good. Thank you, Mr. Barnes. Mrs. Jasmine, are you still doing it? Or are you done? Are you done? Not done? Jasmine and Michael, this morning you want a boxing, eh? I can come to your house and we can have a boxing if you don't do your homework. Okay, Austin. Austin, give us.
Yeah. I
Mhm.
don't know how to explain, but I have the answer.
Which one? What is your numbers?
IG.
I and J. Okay, 175% and okay, 175. So 175 over 100.
Equals 7 over 4.
7 over 4. Yes, 7 over 4.
And 284 equals to 284 over 100.
Okay, so 175, you can use, you see the last number is 5, meaning 5 can divide, right? 5 divided by 100 is what?
5 divided by 100 is 50.
50. Are you sure? Is it 20 or 50?
Or 20.
And then 5 divided by, or 175 divided by 5.
Divided by 5.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
35. 175 divided by 5 is 35. So you already have 20. You already have 35 over 20. Now let's use 5 again to divide. 5 divided by 20 is how many? 4. 5 divide 20 how many times? 4 times.
Or 24 times.
Okay, and 5 divide 35.
7.
7. Okay, very good. So your answer is 7 over 4. Very good. Next one, 184. 184, you see the last number is 4, meaning 2 can divide. It is an even number. So 284 divided by 2 is what? Austin, 284 divided by
142.
Okay, 142 divided further by another 2 again.
21.
Okay. So in the final analysis, what do you have?
21.
21 over
21 over
we are listening to 21 over what?
25.
Over 25. Yes, that is correct. 21 over 25. Good. Michael, now I'm back to
Yeah,
you.
which number? 21 over?
That is
25?
for
Which
J.
letter? Oh,
It's just 71 over 25.
yes.
17 over 25.
Sure. Why
20
is not 71 over 25?
21 over. Okay, 20.
I got 71.
Listen, 20 times 2 is what? No, 25 times 2
50.
50.
plus 21.
71.
71. So the mixed number is 2 whole number, 21 over 25.
Oh, we can still simplify, right?
Yes, simplify. But when you want to write the whole is 71 over 25. When you want to write only the fractions, 71 over 25.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Next one, Michael, I'm back to you.
I'm done. So
Okay, give it to us. 34%.
34 divided by 100 is 0.34. If we simplify it, it will be 2 over 70.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, my final answer.
So what is 34?
That is for Michael. Michael, your answer is, you have tried your best, but your answer is not correct. Listen, I said
What?
Your answer is not correct. Listen, I said just write 34 over 100 and choose 2 numbers that can divide. For example, 34 is an even number, so we know 2 can divide 34. How many 2's in 34, Michael? How many times can 2 divide 34?
17.
17. And divide 2 by 100.
2 by 100.
100 divided by 2.
0.02.
I'll beat you. 100 divided by 2.
100.
100 divided by 2.
Yes. 100 divided by 2. What is your answer?
0.02.
0.002. I'll let John come to your house with you know that
No.
he will give you some lashes at your back.
Come.
Okay, so how many 2s make 100? Let me put the question this way. Okay,
250.
250
2
make
multiplied by
100
50
equals to 100. So 100 divided by 2.
100 divided by 2.
Bring your mind home. Bring it home. Where is your mind going? Bring it home. 100 divided by 2.
Wait, let me calculate.
You want to calculate 100 divided by 2?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you have?
100 divided by 2.
100 divided by 2.
100 divided by 2.
Yes. Yes, you have 100 charts and you want to divide with your brother, the two of you. How much will you get?
50.
So where from the calculations? So you have...
No, sir.
You
said divided at my brain.
Your brain?
Just like.
Bring your mind home. Divided. Divide. Okay, so Michael.
200. Yes.
34% as a fraction is 17/50. Okay.
17/50.
Yes. So now do the second one, 76%. That is for you. Give us your answer. James.
What the hell?
Michael, are you done? Okay, let me go to Jasmine. Jasmine, give us your answer. What was your question? Okay, so yours was 15 and then 8. Yours is what? G and H, right?
Yes.
Okay, so give us 15% as a fraction.
3/10.
3 over what?
10.
20 or 10?
10.
Why 10? Explain to us.
Because
Okay, Jasmine, let's do this. Wait. Your numerator is 15, right?
yes.
And then your denominator is 100. Let's use 5 to divide those two numbers because we know 5 can divide 100 and can divide 15 as well. 15 divided by 5. How many times?
3.
3, okay. So how many 5s are in 100? 100?
20.
20. So you have what? 3 over...
3/20.
Okay. Okay, very good. So you have 3 over 20. Now move on to the next one. 38. No. The next one is 18. Let's go. So 18 over 100. Divide it. Let's go. And give us the fraction. Okay, so whilst we wait for Jasmine, John, give us your side. Let's go.
29%, and we cannot simplify it. 29 over 100.
We cannot, so 29 over 100. Okay. The next one, 6 for...
I can answer now.
Okay, tell us your answer for 18%.
9/50.
9 over 50. Which number did you use?
2.
2. Okay, so 2 divided by 18 is what? 9.
9.
And 100 divided by 3. 50. So you can't divide any further. Thank you. Very good. John, let's go.
645%, and we can divide it by 5. So 5 multiplied by 129 is 645.
So what is your, in the final analysis, what is your answer?
129 over 20.
129 over 20. Okay. Yes, 129 over 20. Very good. The next one. John, the next one is Rochi. Rochi, let's go. You have how many questions? 3 or 2?
2.
Which of them? M and N?
M N.
Okay, let's go. 128.
128% is equal to 32 over 25.
32 over 25. 128. Okay, yes, 32 over 25. And let's move on to the next one. 385.
Is equal to 77 over 20.
77 over 20. Okay. Let's see. Okay, 77 over 20. Okay, very good. Perfect. The last one, Miss, where's my Chinese teacher? My Chinese teacher, give us yours is O and P, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's go for 20% first.
21 over 10.
For 20% is what? 21 over 10.
Yeah.
21 for 20% is 21 over 5. Check again.
Wait.
21 over 5. Tommy, what did you get for O?
21 over 5.
Yes, 21 over 5. Very good. Move on to the last one, 135%.
27 over 20.
Say it again.
27 over 20.
27 over 20. Okay, 135%. Okay, 27 over 20. Very good. Now, Michael, give us the last one. Let's go. 76%. What is 76% as a fraction?
76.
So you are not doing it.
No, sir. I've done it. I think you will say wrong.
Why would I say wrong? If you know it is correct, how would I say it is wrong? Say it. Say what you've done. Explain to us. You know, 76 is an even number, so you can start using 2 to divide it. So let's go. Explain to us.
2 over 17.
2
over 17 or 4 over 19. There's 2 ways.
So in the final analysis, what is your last fraction?
Tell
us your fraction.
4 over 19.
4 over 19.
Yes.
Teacher, which letter?
That is for letter B. 76%. 76% is 19 over 25, right?
Cannot.
That's the answer.
That's not the answer.
19. 19 over 25.
19 over 25.
19 over 25.
So Michael still wants the fight this morning.
I'm down for it.
Mighty punch.
I'll come to your house. Okay. Now, today, this is your homework. Number 3. Yes. 3 is your
Whose
homework.
number or amount is what percentage of the
3 is your homework. And one more to listen.
So what's the thing?
Before we go, for the Christmas holidays, we have to take one exams. So maybe Tuesday or Monday, we have an exams.
Okay.
So learn everything from integers, decimals, fractions, everything that we have learned for the past 3 months. Learn everything. I'll give you just 20 questions on that day. So prepare, okay? Prepare yourself. You know, we have already done with how many topics already? 3 topics already. Number properties, everything. Learn from the beginning to the end. Large numbers, decimals, approximation, rounding, everything. Number properties, rules of divisibility, everything. Learn everything. Monday or Tuesday, we have a test. So you make your papers and everything ready, okay? So let's meet again tomorrow and do your homework. Your homework today is number 3, page number 32. That is your homework. Thank you very much, and let's meet tomorrow.